Hi guys, this is Dorit, and I know it's been a long time since I vlogged last time because back then during the COVID time everything was very difficult, and so after the restriction was over, I took half a year to recharge myself and did a lot of new things. I started to paint a little bit and start to read, not really, wanted to start exercise again, stuff like this. So as my first vlog after this long time, I wanted to do something a bit different. So I got the materials on Taobao to make a handmade lantern lamp. So yeah, and this is my very first time to do this thing as well, so maybe we'll just explore and try it for the first time. Okay, so we're gonna start to open the packages. I got all the materials from Taobao, and the total amount that I spent on those materials are like $5. Okay, here's the packages. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, can you see? I really like the lamp too. Okay, so here's the packages that I get from Taobao, and we're gonna open it. It's also my very first time to open those packages. Ta-da! Like it's all here, so I'm gonna open it one by one. Look at my package opener, so cute. Okay, so this is the stripe. Don't know what is this. This is the thing that you put two things together and tie them and stuff. Like, this is the main thing. This is the paper lantern. And I don't know if you guys can get it from there or somewhere else other than Taobao. But I think if you search for some tutorials, you can know how to make them by yourself. But because I don't know, so I just bought it like this. Looks like this. It's very beautiful. Look, the color. Okay, the last thing is the stand. Right now it looks like this. What's this? Okay. So now it's the full height. It's very tall. It's taller than me. Okay, so this is the first thing. And then the second thing is we're gonna do this. Okay, let's try to do one. Like open this. Wait, look, it has English instructions. Doesn't have a Chinese one. I think these are meant to export to the US or something. But look, take a screenshot if you need. Okay, now we just do it as the instruction. Down a bit. Let's see the lantern. Make it big. And then put the hook here. And then all the way up. And then hook it. Oh, sorry. See? Just okay. In here. And then we put them on the stick. This is not done yet because we need to measure the height of the stick. So we just, when we are done with it, we just put them on the stick. Okay. I got 6 of them, so let's hurry up. I'll probably delete this part because they are redundant and repetitive. Vocabulary. Really, I bet you guys can find it there. Because I told someone about my idea of making this video. They were like, You have to find the materials that you can get out there, but I think it's not that difficult. See, now it's very smooth. Okay, got two more. Okay, now the lanterns are all done. You can take a look. It's very beautiful. Okay, so now we see the height is here. Wait, how can I measure? To my chin. So we took all the bubbles out. Lantern out, and then we wait, they're hooked together, look. Oh, they're supposed to hook together. See? Oh, they have hooks. Okay, so these are lanterns. We just adjust it to the height that it used to be. I think it's here, so my chin a bit. Okay, and then the next thing we do, we just tie the light. I don't know how to say it in English. Okay, where is this? LED has nothing. Okay, we just wrap it around the stick like this on the top. Now we close it. I like the here to be more lit. Okay, so and then we just wrap the rest around the stick. Too long. Wait, how about I do this? So in the middle will be very lit. And I think the lanterns are big enough. Okay. The strap is done. And then we can put it on to see. Look! Look! It's beautiful. Okay, so we put the things down. So I think it should stop from the bottom. So let's see the bottom. Okay. Okay, the bigger one. Okay, a smaller one. Okay, last again. Okay, here's the final. What is it? Why is it not stable? Okay, now it's like this. Okay, so now here is the final work of this lamp, and now we can. I'll close the curtains and show you. Wait. Looks like this. Shorter than me. Okay, now close the curtains and let's see the lighting. If it's good. Okay. Actually looks nice. Okay. You can only see it like this, but later I will modify it a bit. But here is the final work, and I think it will look great if I put it in my living room. Ta-da! My lantern. Hi guys, so now I put it in my living room and now it looks like this. I think it really suits the place. Hey. I think if you make it and put it in the corner of your house, it will look absolutely good. Let's see the details.